afraid?
I am not afraid.
Then come out.
Then you'll be afraid.
When the other fairies fly, then why don't you?
I had wings once. They were strong. They were stolen from me. There is evil in this world. And then me.
Bring me her head.
I fall on those who live in the shadows. Fight with me now!
Is it true? You're Maleficent.
Sige, palakpakan natin ang kanila number 1 and 2. Maleficent and green grass. Ano ba? Okay. Wala na yung judge natin mag-judge. Yan sa mga judges po natin, meron po tayong final look. Okay na po. Once again, palakpakan natin si Maleficent and yung ating candidate number 2. Thank you.
First time I've been able to watch a cosplay presentation and none other than Ma'am Tess, one of my idols in cosplay. Hello po, kumusta ang journey mo as Maleficent here in Naga City?
Okay naman. Actually, this is not my first time to be Maleficent.
Yes, yes.
Sa Big Shocktober last October 27 yata.
Oo nga po, congrats pala.
Pangalawa to. Wala. Nag-adventure kasi sikat si Maleficent. Kaya gusto ko siya cosplay.
Kahit saan pupunta si Maleficent. Good luck po, ma'am. Bye-bye po. Ah, okay, Fairy. Ibang movie din? Saan? Ilang beses ka nag-join sa cosplay? Ang ganyan pala. O sige, good luck. Ayan.